Joseph has... Say hi, say hi. Do this, ah. Do this! Marami kami dun. No, it's a dog food.
Joseph, umalis ka na?
Ano magandang mantika mo? Canola oil. Para hindi lang bili kang bili. You like it there? What happened?
Pen?
No, it's a real thing. You can get one. This one, no? Oh.
Kuha na rin ako ng
Handy.
M&M.
What did we buy here?
Me? Are you talking to me?
Ba?
So I'm with my kumare. Tagal ko iniisip yung kumare. So it's a Mother's Day special today. After a long day, we're gonna eat. Ay, hindi. Pakita ko yung ano.
Yung price pa. It's only 300.
Ramen is life.
Pinaka yung
Of course. Ano sa'yo?
For next pages po, meron po tayong side dish, bento meals and rice po. Excuse me. So good. Look sa way. Sino yung pumasok ka ng store, poker face? Gato ma. Gato. Dami yung ginagawa eh.
Bakit?
Ito housewife na. Hindi na nga ako nakapag-tiktok na. Tignan ko lang kung lumabas.
Doon talaga, ma.